Pick it up.
Did you catch one?
Yeah. There he is. Boy, he ate quite a bit of it, didn't he?
Hey, at least he
Oh
didn't.
man, look at that.
Oh.
Whew. If he would have slacked off just a little bit.
They've all been about the same size tonight, haven't they?
Yeah. You're not coming off, bud.
He hit a lot harder than how big he is.
There he is. Get him. Blue. Good blue. Heck yeah, Landy.
That heel's not so good. Coming to get the pole off.
Good job, Landy James.
Can't see nothing.
You just had to go mess with the fire, that's what it was.
Probably
Pretty
5
good.
pounds. 2-3 pounds.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, boy. They'll give you a run for your money. I leave Max in my drink. Yeah, I thought we got hit at the same time. I put my line over yours. Oh my goodness. Got him, Landy. It's a good one. Another big blue. That's probably your biggest right here, Landy. That's 20. Oh, easy.
Yeah, I'm not trying to high stick it. Oh, I got off on the top of my lip. My lip's numb.
Oh, I tell you, he was pretty close from coming off. You fucking lie.
My wrist is...
That's the one that's probably been fucking with me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, don't let him go, boy. Yeah, you grab him by the gills, boy. Grab him by the gills.
No, goddamn. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna grab it. Ow! Why you gotta be so mean?
There he is, Landy. Good job. He's every bit 15 or 20. Hell yeah.
I don't like him anymore. You can take him back. He's fucked my fingers up and my face.